Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for PROZON INTU. That is the ticker name of the stock. Right now, what you are seeing is what is a monthly technical chart of PROZON INTU, and you are seeing the price trend history of this stock along with a few technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, etc., etc. PROZON INTU is a small cap, and the good thing of this particular company is, like, it has been consistently popping up in the top 10 small caps recently in the last 1.5 year. So I think this is the right time to look at this stock and then see actually how long we can get benefited from this PROZON INTU. Okay, now if you look at the price trend history of the stock, the PROZON INTU, I mean, I have data here since 2013, and 2013 onwards actually it is going down and went up, and there is a lot of sideways movement, and again it went down, and 2016 onwards so it's a straight going up. Okay, you can see this one, this trend, upward trend, it's a continuous up. Okay, and the super trend has already formed, green color super trend, which you can see here, the green color line, and the stock has crossed its 10-day moving average recently. Okay, in 2017. So in 2017 it's a complete this thing. It went up. Right now it is trading at 64 rupees 35 paise. Actually it started its upward journey with a the time when it started upward journey it was trading at 24 rupees 30 paise, and today it is 64. That means in 2016, March 2016, March 2017 and October, that means 1.5 year, literally around 1.5 year, this stock has triple, actually near approximately it is tripling. Okay, so I think it's as a small cap, and looking at the volatility of the stock and looking at the price movement of the stock, I think it's a very good stock. I mean, very good movement it is showing. Let's see what other technical indicators are telling us. Already as I told you, it has crossed the 10-day moving average and 50-day moving average, and it is the super trend is going on. So all these three indicators are telling positive about the price trend of this particular stock. Now look at the RSI. RSI is picking up and it is crossing the 80 line, and it is making a nice slope here, about to make a nice slope here. So guys, that means RSI is in favor of the relative strength of this particular stock, is in favor of the increase in the price movement of the stock, which is very good. And now look at the MACD. MACD is single line is on top of the red line, and signal line is both lines are diverging, which indicates a huge gap, and the gap is directly proportional to the price movement, as I already told you in my previous videos. So that is a good sign again. And look at the histogram bars. All the bars are populating on top of the baseline, and you can also see the green color bars populating on top of the baseline here, which is again a plus sign, plus thing for the price rise here. Look at the momentum; it's a straight up. Okay, it's a curved, and then right now and it is inclined towards the upward direction, and the whole graph is playing on top of the baseline. Baseline is the zero line is the baseline here. So that is another good sign. And look at the ADX, green color line is on top of the red line, and both are diverging. Look at the way these lines are forming the angle here. Okay, they are diverging, and that is what we want as an investor. This is this divergence of these two lines is what boosts this price here, and that is what that is the signal actually. And look at the strength index, directional strength index of this directional strength of this particular stock. This is the line that indicates the directional strength, and in which direction it is moving right now, towards the up direction. Okay, so that means look at the strength, and it is saying, this particular line is saying in whichever direction it is moving, that the strength of that particular direction is rising actually. So right now it is moving in the upward direction, so that means the strength is also good for it to move further in the upward direction. That's what it is telling. So all these indicators are telling us that PROZON INTU is the right small cap for us to invest, and actually right now it is trading at 64, and this is a very good, it's like a bonanza for most of the investors whoever has not invested so far. This is the right time for you to invest, and whoever has already invested, you might have benefited. You can clearly see that here. Okay, already 2 times, damn sure you got benefited, and after that the third time you are midway to get benefited for the third time. So This is the thing, and for people who had already invested, I think this is the right time for you to accumulate more. And people who had not invested and ready to invest, for you, this is the right time for you to enter the stock, do the investment in this particular stock. Okay, guys, this is the analysis for the long-term investment of this particular stock, PROZON INTU. So, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.